How to reach island 68 in animals and coins. So basically means progressing to the game until you fully build or unlock your 98th island. So the main feature of this game is upgrading your island over here by using coins that you got in from your little adventure or whatever this bridge making thing is in game. You can get coins by stealing money from other people or just ambushing their entire city or island, destroying everything they own, and then you get rewards from doing that apparently. And you can do this in a faster way by betting a lot more, but it does take lots more of energy. But the entire idea of just getting to level 68 or island 68 in animals and coins is to just progress. So eventually, as long as you keep doing the same thing and again, you will be able to reach the 68th island in animals and coins. It's the same process, but eventually the progress does get larger and larger. It may seem that you're getting more coins and more rewards at a time, but of course the cost for some islands do take up more coins as well. So it doesn't get faster, it actually usually does get slower. And reaching an island like the 68th island does take lots of time, especially for games like this. But again, to reach Island 68 in animals and coins is to basically just progress. There's a lot of ways you can be proficient in this, like being, of course, active in game, manage your energy carefully since energy is the main limiting resource. Building bridges and opening new islands does drain your energy, and using bets or multipliers wisely as well. Of course, it does take up lots of energy, but you multiply your rewards the same amount, so that's up to you. There's also the friend invites over here that gives you more energy, and limited time events that comes from time to time, and finally the shop over here if you want gems or gold that can help you. Of course, gold will help you with the upgrades. That's up to you, depending on how much you can give into the game. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.